Did you know that there are over 150 universities in the UK? So, if you can only apply to 5 of those in your UCAS applications, how do you narrow them down?
In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the questions you can ask yourself that can make your decision a little easier. So then, let's help you nail those top 5 places where you may want to go and study.
The courses and universities you are looking at will mostly be specifying different entry requirements. These will be the grades you will need to get to be offered a place, as well as if you need to attend an interview or submit a portfolio.
Make sure you are aiming to achieve the entry requirements of the course you're interested in. As you have 5 choices, also consider a backup option in case you don't get the grades you are hoping for.
Be sure to consider this when you are filling out your application. Later on in the application process, you will have to select your firm choice, which will be your first, and an insurance choice, which will be your second. So for the second, you might want to pick somewhere with slightly lower entry requirements.
Most unis have similar study spaces and IT facilities, so dig deeper and look at what's specific to your course. It's worth looking out for the phrase industry standard, as this means those facilities will match up with what will be in your workplace when you graduate.
Really, the single most important piece of advice is to go to an open day and see the facilities yourself. So take any opportunity you can to do this. Whatever you think the facilities are like, you will never regret taking the chance to check them out.
One of the more important factors of choosing the best university for you is, do the lecturers know their stuff? Look at their experience. How confident are you that they can guide you into your future career? Look for any academics and links to industry, as this can mean extra opportunities for things like work placements.
Where do you want to live, home or away? If you want to go further afield, you might want to think about location carefully. Ideally, you might want to be able to jump on a train and be back home in a couple of hours. So being fairly central might be a good option for you. If you are staying at home, you might want to have a look at local transport options, just so you know how long it would take you to get to and from uni.
You're going to have a great time at uni, meeting new friends, learning and changing your life for the better. However, at some point you might need some extra support.
During your time at uni, you may find yourself struggling with your mental health, a health condition or a disability. You may feel you are facing academic or financial challenges. All universities provide student support, but it's important to choose somewhere you know you can rely on to look after you and put you first.
You might have already considered the practicalities of the place you want to go and study, but don't forget you're going to uni to have fun. What will the social life be like? What is there in the way of culture? Do you generally get a good vibe about the place?
You could do a practice run and spend the day or night having a look around any cities or towns that you were thinking about. If you can't manage that, you can do some online research or have a look on social media.
We hope that this helped give you a kickstart in choosing the 5 universities that are best for you. You have a lot to think about, as well as all the hard work you'll be putting into your exams before then.
However, before you know it, you'll be starting uni. So, good luck with the UCAS application.